We're off today to a place called Bracknell down south. It's southeast of Reading, I think. It's about 4.5, 5 hours away, that's what I know. What this is about is a technician course for DJI Dock 3. So it's the autonomous docking station. In order to deliver a comprehensive solution here, it's important that we know how this station works, the ins and outs of it, how we break it down, build it up, component parts, how we can repair it, how we can replace it with a new one. If we've got a station out there on the ground and a client is operating and for whatever reason they've got a problem with it, we can go out and fix it or we can replace it. Okay. Yeah, cheers, thank you. Got the fuel, avoided all the junk, so much chocolate crap, crisps, try to keep off that these days. We'll be stopping in the next couple of hours, grab a coffee maybe, I want to sleep well tonight, but we'll stop in a couple of hours either way, because I want to stay hydrated. It's quite a warm day today. Use the toilet, break it up a little bit. We're at the hotel, which is let's just say I don't go like proper expensive when I'm traveling for work. But we're gonna go check out Sainsbury's, Morrison's, get some water, get some supplies, and find a local gym and get a 3-day pass, and then go to the gym, do some training. Hear me out. This was great actually. Funny the little things that you buzz over, but it's a 310 gram small. It's a small ultimate weigh anyway, so I'll just use this for the next few days, then top it up every time I go away. I did bring some, but it's kind of like in a bag and loose. Apples, bananas. Resisted the temptation to get the other oats with the sugar in, and 5 litres of water. So kind of pre-workout, wake up in the morning, have some complex carbs, have a banana, go for a workout, come back, have a shake, have breakfast, go on the training course, and hopefully, we get an hour off during the training course and get some decent food in, and a banana and apple then sort of in the afternoon. That's the plan. Right, so next phase now is let's go get 3 days at the gym. We can go in the mornings, evenings, something to do, keep me busy if I'm not studying, obviously. Right, morning. I'm at Greg's coffee. We're good to go. We're outside Midwich this morning. This is just an intro really to the DJI Dock. It's the engineer course, so we won't be doing much flying, nothing fancy like that in this video. Bit of a teaser really, and just to show you the sort of engineers course that I'm going through, how we break it down, build it up. You'll get a little bit of a teaser of what I'm getting up to.
Is that you can see the blue lights on.
Yeah.
Lights are flashing. That means it's charging the UPS battery, but technically the dock is still powered up. So if you want to put this into storage, it's basically over about 4 hours. It'll drain your battery.
Yeah.
The only way to fully power down a dock is by doing the press and hold.
Yeah.
Just a little bit of air.
After a few seconds,
release. So you want to push it?
If it goes quiet.
Yeah, click.
So that's it, all done, all passed, certificate downloaded. Great course, instruction from Midwich. Ryan and Nathan was absolutely spot on. It's the fact that it's hands-on and you're actually getting into it, dismantling it, rebuilding it, learning how it operates. Gives you a lot of confidence then, obviously, when we start delivering this out into the field, commissioning it, and start to supply these type of operations to our clients. 5 hours back home, and I'll see you on the next one.